Welcome to this video. Today we're going to be doing a quick comparison between some Poundland pencil crayons that we've got here, and they're basically a pound for a set. These are some that we pulled out from our pencil case, and we actually bought some premium ones branded Scribblicious, and they're premium coloring pencils. We want to see if they are actually any good. Is it worth paying 4 times as much? There's £4 for these, and these ones basically cost us £1. So we have Madam here who is going to test these for us. So if I pull out some colors that match the ones we've got there, so we've got a pink, so if that will be the closest pink I've got to that one. Let's do blue, and I'll give you a blue from here. Oh, do I have a dark blue? Ooh, close enough. Blue is maybe this one. That's black, isn't it? The blue is here. This lighting isn't great, so it makes the blue look like black. Let me have a look. It's dark. Close enough, I think. So if we do those two, so if I see how you do with those, if you do blue first, and what I want to see is how much pressure do you have to put down. So how easy is it to color? So go ahead. If you try and color in the W there. Yeah, how does that feel?
Feels smooth.
Smooth, okay. And how do you think the color's coming down? Is the color nice?
Yeah, it's breaking down easily.
So how would you normally color it? Would you like it to be thick or loose? Or like, for example, is that enough color, or would you like to do it better?
This would be enough color.
Okay. And then if you leave half and try the Poundland one here. Yeah. So the first one was the expensive one. This is the cheaper one.
This is more hard.
Really?
Yeah.
Are you pushing harder?
Yeah.
Okay. It's slightly different color, so sorry, but we'll try the pink one as well. But okay, out of those two, which one did you like?
The £4 one, this one.
But why?
Because it was easy to break down.
Okay.
And it was smooth.
Okay, I'll do
this
a test
one I
as
had
well.
to press too much hard.
Okay, so now we'll try the pink ones, and let's see how that looks. You could pick another letter if you want. Okay, yeah, whatever.
Look at this one.
Okay, so that's the £4 one. How does that one feel?
That feels a little bit hard.
Okay, let's try the Poundland one.
That feels too hard.
Oh, okay, yeah, I can tell. I can see what you mean now. So you're having to push harder to get the color to come out.
Yeah.
Okay, interesting. The color is slightly different, but which one would you prefer?
The £4 one.
Okay, should I do a quick test while I'm here, just
that
so I
one's
can?
more bright, and
Okay.
this one's dull.
Okay, so here, that's how I would color it. Look, see that it's like a bit deeper.
Yeah.
So let's try the Poundland one. Ah, yes.
That is more.
Okay, yes, I get what you mean. It's not. It's like you're having to push harder to get a color out of it.
Yeah.
Wow, that's interesting, isn't it? Okay, so that is worth spending a bit more money to get a nicer one, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's have a look at that blue. Okay, there. So I'm going to use the same effort and just color this one in. Yes. See, I use the same amount of energy, but that one's coming out nice and dark and this one isn't. So I think if you're coloring in a nice picture, you'll notice the difference.
Yeah.
So maybe these Scribblicious are worth, well, really, if you think about it, it's 36 colors. So if we got 2 doubles of some colors. So if we half it, then it's £2.
Yeah.
Because the Poundland ones, we only got like, what is it, 18 or 12?
Yeah.
Okay, that's fine. Okay, hopefully this helps you out if you're thinking about buying colors, but I think these Works pencil crayons are actually worth buying.